Sobrang lamig. One of the supermarket here in Georgia. What's that?
I don't know. It's Donny Zeffironi.
Hello, Georgian dog.
Ngayon, alam na natin kung saan.
Sila Charm ay nasa loob ng store. It's a leather bag store. Tecnologia. Tecnologia. Ang aking pinakamamahal na si Vito. Sure. Wine ice cream.
Okay, hold it.
From Vito. Yung wine ice cream na binila namin. Only in Georgia. Sana all. Georgian beer. They called it Argo. Hi, good morning everyone. This is our day for Georgia. Ngayon ko lang napansin na kita pala lahat ng mga landmarks dito sa Georgia sa tapat ng balcony namin. Ito yung pinakamalapit sa aming church. And then hindi masyadong kita sa camera pero nandun yung Mother of Georgia. Hindi ko lang alam kung kita sa camera but from here visible siya. Good morning! Day 4, Georgia. Lamig. Sobrang lamig. Okay, let's eat breakfast.
Let's go.
I want to sleep.
It's okay. We will ask. Say good morning.
Come here. Look at here.
Look at the camera, Christoph. This is our day 4. Same pa din siguro. So, same with lemon, olives. Oh, ito bago to. Bread, some fruits, egg, ito, oatmeal, butter, cheese, mortadella, I think so. Yeah, it's the same. Baby. Is it good, the oatmeal? This is Christoph's plate. Oatmeal. And this is my first round of breakfast. This is Sherman's plate with oatmeal also. You like it? And here's Lola.
You want more? Dada, help me.
Let's eat.
You help.
What do you want?
Help me, but I cannot burn it. But this minute is too small.
Okay, I will help you. We are here at one of the supermarket here in Georgia. What's that?
I don't know. It's Donny Zeffironi.
Parang siyang ano, alam mo yung...
Parmochi.
Parmochi. What's this? Dito kami sa kanilang grocery store. Sige. Ayan, konting walk tour lang para sure, same lang din naman gaya ng mga supermarket sa atin or sa ibang bansa. Same lang siya. Magkakaiba lang ng product. Mostly ano nila, mga foods nila. Yun lang. Birthday, free time namin today, so maglalakad-lakad lang kami. We'll see kung saan kami dali na kami mga. Yan, napag-grocery na siya. Gatay lang namin sila Christoph sa labas. Pero hindi na ibaba sila baby kasi may mga stops. Daming aso. Pero mababait yung mga aso. Here's Christoph and Mamu. Mag-swing daw sila. Nantay lang namin si Mama kasi bumalik siya sa hotel. May naiwan yata siya. So after that, we will figure out kung saan kami pwede magpunta. Tambay muna kami dito sa park malapit sa hotel. May aso sa tabi ko. Ayan. Hello, doggy. Sana hindi naman sila nangangagat. Feeling ko naman mababait mga aso dito. Depende. Depende sa... Hello, Georgian dog. Hi.
Dadaan ba tayo ng
May pagpatintero kami sa ano? Sa Sprinkles. Si Charm ang aming navigator. Siya ang magsasabi kung kakanan ba kami or kakaliwa, diretso. Sunod lang kami sa kanya. Sa kanyang instruction.
Dito lang pala. Ngayon, alam na natin kung saan.
Mas malapit lang.
Yeah.
Hello, double decker bus.
Sila pala yung paakyat dyan.
Big bus.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One ride, one charge of free in the bus.
Thank you.
Kung hindi lang ako nagpapakain ng baby. Why?
Lakas maka-Europe vibes kahit wala pa sa Europe. Actually, Eurasia. Pwede nang ganun. Eurasia. Nagtitingin sila ng mga tours.
Di ba dapat dito tayo pumunta, no? Hindi.
Sa iba?
Hindi, nung hindi tayo natin.
Yan, dito may mga sarili-sarili din silang tour na pwede mong i-book on the same day or the next day kung medyo late na.
Madari tayo.
Ito yung mga cable car sa taas. Hindi daw gumagana today. But yesterday, nakasakay naman kami dyan. So, we're still lucky. Maybe under maintenance for today. At sa taas, doon yung napuntahan namin kahapon din na. Hindi, nung isang araw pala, sorry. Yes. Sila Charm ay nasa loob ng store. It's a leather bag store. May free engraved daw if ever na bumili ng leather bag products nila. Ang brand niya ay Shadani, handcrafted in Georgia, genuine leather. Medyo pricey pero feeling ko naman good deal na yan. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Mga 300 plus ano lang, Georgian Lari. So, times 1.3 or 1.4 sa EED money. Sure. I-side mo. Maganda. Mas okay siya. Hey, what are you doing there, Christoph?
It's the mother of Georgia, see?
Oh, it's a mother of Georgia. Okay.
We need the cable car.
Pares maganda eh. Teknolodya. Teknolodya. Yung sa akin naman. Okay, it's done. We are now here at Sulphur Bath. Yeah, it's a gallery.
I don't have time.
Tulog ang aking pinakamamahal na si Vito. Si Lola, si Charm at si Christoph nasa baba. Pumunta sila sa secret cave. May kuweba sa baba. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo sa video. Ganda. Tapos paglabas mo may bar. Sa dulo ng nakakamiss naman mag big bike. And mga Harley Davidson. Sa tamang panahon, sa takdang panahon, makakabalik din tayo dyan. Siguro kapag malalaki na yung mga bata, papayagan na tayo ulit ni Sherman na mag-bike. Kasi nga, iniisip niya, risky din talaga. So, ayun. Sundin na lang muna.
Look, they're going to the music.
Kevin, doggy ah. Siya, mabaka mo ulit yung doggy.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine 'cause we'll be laying in the sun. So you can let your hair down.
We are here buying wine ice cream. Ang price na ay 5 lagi. Ay 5, tama. 5 gel. Excited.
Gonna buy. Guys,
What's that vanilla? Vanilla without alcohol?
no alcohol.
Okay. One. This is yours. This is vanilla. Two. This is for the kids. For Christoph.
Christoph! No, don't.
Sure. Wine ice cream.
Okay, hold this. Hold the tissue with the tissue.
Give to Lola. This one. Give to Lola.
Kaya ako na yun.
For 20. 20 gel.
Like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
20 eh? Correct? Thank you. Let me try.
Ice cream, Christoph!
Mmm.
For you, ito. Hindi yan. Ay, tumutulo.
Come on, Christoph.
Come on.
Cheers. Once. Try ko. Sarap.
Lasa. Sarap.
Nasang wine shop pero masarap.
Oo. Vanilla lang.
Vanilla lang muna sa kanila. Kasi nga, nag-breastfeed si Charmaine. And si Christoph, of course, bata pa, bawal pa ang alak. Matikman ko na rin sa wakas.
Sarap siya.
Lasa siyang wine, pero masarap pa rin siya kahit lasa siyang kahit wine, masarap pa din.
Ah, may wine ba to? Wine ice cream yan. Wine.
Sarap. Si baby din, umiinom. Nagpapalamig. Kaso nga lang dead eh. Look at the view. This is our view. Last bite of wine ice cream. Yummy.
pa sila. Someday.
Are you having fun? Kiss. Kiss. Kiss.
Matawa din siya, no?
Are you happy also?
Ayaw na yata.
Ayun na. So guys, wala akong naalala. Si Lolo Vito. From Vito. Yung wine ice cream na binila namin. Ano mga food?
Baked goods, kachapuri.
Hi. So it's the same restaurant, no?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll get my baby. Hi. Mama. We are here at Restaurant Gorgasali.
It's not opening.
Which one? It's not opening? It's okay. Later we will fix, okay? These are non-alcoholic drinks. Lemon sparkling. But here, ito yung mga menu nila para sa mga wines. Yan. Pag-script natin si Charmaine. Give me a glass, Charmaine.
Discover.
Wait,
just wait.
I need to. When we are thirsty.
You like it? you like it?
Okay.
Maro. Cheers, Shani. Oh, it's
Tapos na eh.
Wait mo nalagyan.
What's that? Mr. Carter.
Ano yung lawak niya? Shrimp?
Shrimp na.
Mr. Carter.
Tiger shrimp.
Starts with
Tiger shrimp.
Build up with beds and goats, stones, bricks
Ama.
and goats.
Thank you.
They now lazy. The night is falling and the bricks.
Stop.
Remove your watch.
Okay, stop. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Very good.
A water. What's this?
It's sanitizer.
Yay. So there's a mushroom inside over there.
Masarap siya. Pero mas masarap yung mushroom.
The light's too dark. Why you close the light, Dada?
Masabaw sa'yo?
Why you turn the light and close?
Sa kanin din. Hindi masyado.
Tama. Your turn, ma'am. Bite.
Too hot.
Dapat pala fruits ito.
Bite, bite.
Yeah, chocolate. No. Oh no! Say yes. Don't you say chocolate, say yes. Hey, what is all the pasta?
No.
Stop. Mama, Lola, you can try it.
Oh, okay.
But
Stop siya. Oh, labak eh. Masarap mo? Masarap mo?
Secret to.
Okay, stop ah. Picture cake. Bite, bite, bite. See? You like it?
you passed it.
I told you.
Later na.
I told you, di ba? What?
Password gone. Dada turn off.
Kaya pala.
Mama.
Not the people, only the alley.
Ayan, tawid eh.
The alley.
Matagak yung mga lugar dito.
Then the
Mga pasulong. Pao.
Parang dapat malakas ang hatak ng sasakyan.
alley, cave, tunnel.
Yes.
Ganda. Ganda ng view.
Show Dada the park. Come on, show Dada the park.
Kahit doon lang tayo nakaupo eh. Parang ano, ganda. Yung mga halaman doon, ang ganda.
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine. I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states, don't know what awaits. It don't matter, I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Europe Square. Nanonood lang kami ng performance. Charmaine. Are you having fun?
Never thought I'd believe in miracles. You made me realize that you're the only one. Don't need to tell me what the future holds. Oh, I'll be fine, 'cause we'll be there.
like that.
Only in Georgia. Sana all. Kisap, kami. Yay, we are here at Tesla again.
We're going to use this one.
Lagi sa mga.
Georgian Sweets. Malapit lang sa aming hotel.
Parang ang sarap ka, no?
This Georgian sweets?
No, this
Turkish. Turkish
Turkish. Guys, now dinner time. Ang dinner time namin ay almost 10 o'clock. Super late dinner.
Alam, may mga crepes sila.
Dito kami sa Khinkali House.
Khinkali with mushroom.
Okay.
I need to eat that again. Because I like it.
Si Mama at si Christoph nagpunta muna ng toilet. Screenshot nyo na lang kapag gusto na rin kumain dito if ever na pupunta kayo dito sa Georgia.
Sige, sit down. Okay, sit down. Oh, careful, careful.
Ito naman ang kanilang mga
Lola first, Lola first.
wines.
Let Lola go. Okay, you sit, let Lola sit first. Oh, you go inside. You want to sit with me? Oh, Lola first. Then let Lola go inside first. Oh, sige, Lola first. So she can go inside. Then Mama. And then you. Then Mama.
Oh, your brother is laughing. Oh.
Then Mama. Oh, sit here. Oh. Oh, sige.
Okay, mag-order muna kami. See you later.
Just tayo eh. Just tayo eh.
Naku, umiyak ang baby. Iinom pa naman ng dada.
O kaya mag-ice tea ka na lang. 5 ano lang.
Hello guys.
Love you.
Kaya natin mag Georgian beer. They called it Argo.
Outside. Inside. Go away my hands. Don't hold my hands. I love you, baby.
Masarap siya. Hindi siya mapait. Baka siyang ano, Who Garden.
Mama, smile.
You want 1 liter or 1 glass?
1 liter. Can Mama do it? Let's go. Wala na, sumalot.
John. Oh no. Natanggal ko naman. May yung nakadikit lang yung hindi. Now you use this side. Okay?
No, don't touch. No, it's wrong.
It's very good.
Ang sarap sa atin.
Sarap sa alak. Nakikisaw-saw. Nakikidungaw si baby sa pagkain.
Ay, ikaw lang ang makikita ka sa
Lagyan na naman nila ng dahon na yan.
Hindi, ano yata yan? Net.
Hindi, ito yung dahon sa ibabaw.
Oh.
Ничего, сухари завтра.
Oo. Yung natin, ayoko yung natin. Pero masarap ang pintan nila. Kaya,
Nilagay dahon.
naalala mo yung dahon na pinatikim ko sa iyo.
Masarap.
Ang sarap naman yung juice. I like the juice. Kasi din ako sa juice, ha? Sarap na.
Shake. Pinake niya lang. Talagang fresh.
Fresh talaga siya.
Dapat lightan mo na lang kaya. Oh,
Masarap. Sagad. Kahit may green, okay lang sa akin.
What will you do?
Masarap yung salad.
masarap naman.
Hey, don't put a Lola.
Okay, I will give you some.
Don't put it on Lola.
This is for you. Okay. You know how to eat it?
You can know to cut.
No need to cut. You just hold it. Hold.
Ay, yung ganito, mas
And
mahirap.
dip. And then...
White. Yeah, different.
Like it? Really good? Oh, iconic is siya. Kikali pa ang humusgahan ko. So, masarap lahat.
Yung dati, itlog yun eh. No? Yun hindi ano.
May itlog din.
Pero fresh yung itlog niya.
Neto?
Oo.
Parang.
Na imimix mo, maluluto na.
But
Yes, I'll do it.
and
Pwede pa. Ito din.
Masarap talaga yung nasa bubra.
Okay.
Masarap yung nasa bubra.
Ha?
Masarap yung nasa.
Yung dito.
Ano na? Yung?
Mas masarap yung lasa nung nandito.
Kasi dun sa unang-una natin, nakatsapon.
Sabi niya, you need to taste the authentic. Sabi niya. Yung talagang authentic na authentic. Wala masyadong ano.
Sabaw? Wala masyadong broth.
Mas masarap yung masarap yung kinkali niya. Pero mas gusto ko yung kabila.
Yung mga pepper, no?
Mas masarap yung ano, yung mushroom ng kabila. Pero masarap din siya.
Alam mo na mag-judge. Naka-albino dyan. Ito daw yung pinaka-authentic na lasa. Kinkali House. Malapit sa aming hotel. Yung pinili namin is mushroom, kinkali.
Dapat na ano natin kung anong tangalan. Kinakainan natin sa restaurant.
Kinkali House to.
eat the bubble there.
Mas masarap yung nakabla.
Gusto ko yung ribs. Ang sarap ng ribs. Karabira. Kain. Yung kachapuri nila masarap. Mas gusto ko dito.
Kasi hindi natin matyapan yung
But the mango doesn't have a ball and
Don't, that's for later. You have to eat more.
toasty.
No, you just drank.
Very good.
Want more? Yes?
Akwab nga ako natin, no?
Want more? Gusto ni Christmas ang kachapuri.
So, malagyan ka ng salad, ha? Ikaw na, chef. Ayaw ni Gusto, salad. Ay, may tinangin na ba?
You want to try the salad?
Try the salad.
Maliit lang, konti lang.
Rats to eh.
Kaya,
That is salad. I will let you taste first the salad, okay? You would like it. Okay. Yummy?
Pati na kayo ni Mama.
Oh, sure. I will not say no to that.
Gusto ba? Ako na gusto.
Nagustuhan niya yung ketchup food. You try the salad. You try the salad. Tiga. Like it? How's the salad? Good? Okay. I just eat it.
Aftermath ng aming pagkain, walang natira.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.